My people, I get this our brother for Tanzania sleep with a dead body because of his life. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across this my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. I bring this story come for now. This our brother for Tanzania when he did sleep with dead body because of his life. His story start like this, as I say understand. I will still put some shots for now to still hear from his mouth. This guy from Tanzania, he traveled to Mozambique. I don't know how to pronounce am. Then he start life for there. He come dey work because he say there is time when the Mozambique come tell people say make dem comot for their country, both Canada, both all over the world. He come say make dem comot for their country because of him. They speak Mozambique abi Mozambique. I don't know. Una no come for me. He dey speak the language well. Then they no come know. He say unfaithful day he get wife and children for Mozambique. Then unfaithful day he no come dey work. Then he get this. He free go dey ask am say this is friend. He dey always dey spend money. He don travel go Tanzania for him country. Then he come ask am say he for like to travel back home but he no get money. Na this him friend come say you no get money. Get where I for dey make my money. Then they go there make they go make he go find money. He say as they reach there now those people when they find stone that they dig ground, you know, they'll go they find gold or all those things come out from ground. He said as he reach there, he said now so then he got a friend say this one they don't do dig am oh. Something like this if he fall on them or make they no do. He said friend come say now so that they do am normal. Now they come they go. Now they come enter. He said as he just enter, they don't start the work. He said now so the this thing as they don't dig am now everything just fall. Whether he say now 18 feet, everything just fall up on top of them. In fact, a lot of people die. He just lost. He lost his head. He don't even know anything again. Before he come hear say people they cry. Then they throw rope for him to rescue him. And they rescue him, he can't discover say he waist down. He know they feel life again. Say they rush him go hospital. Mozambique, they refuse to treat him. They refuse to treat him because they need documents when they go take treat him. And he don't get Mozambique document. He na Tanzania because of him sabi speak the language. He be claim say when they say make people come out, he claim say he na Mozambique. Okay, now when this accident can happen, they don't gree treat him. They can say he needs document. He not see document bring. They leave him. He leg everything come dey rotting. He said, now their wife just come. Some women, maybe sometimes I don't know what the woman they pass through for in hand. But when your partner they difficult time, when your partner they pass through, not be say your partner don't dey inside problem. That time you take teacher and say no, you take teacher. No. For me, I not ever join there because I get brother, I get son. It can happen to anybody. It can happen. Do you understand? When you see say that marriage not good for you, not just they follow that kind of person, just leave and just leave before the person go find himself inside pain. Remember I said that you're your father of your child. No, now they remember this opportunity and you don't decide all the suffering they make me the suffer. Now I will punish you. But no, it's very wrong. When you and person dey together and that person dey inside pain, not leave am and not abandon am. He said this his wife he come, this her wife he come. Then he say see your life now. He say he come tell her oh no they tell me my heart. I'll leave una and watch the video also. You they break my heart you know. No they tell me say wife just wait till just talk. He say wife just vex carry children come out till today he not see children. Okay how he come take come out for Mozambique? He said they can't add him with dead body when they want transfer come out from Mozambique, whether to Tanzania or country by. Doctor come tell am say you know they don't fit treat you and you know fit come out without you know follow this dead body enter car come out. He said now 8 hours. He said that they come put am for inside dead body car. He and dead body everywhere they smell. He said he don't see they smell sef. People they pass through for this world. He said he don't see they smell. He said now they put in for inside dead body car. Where dead body they inside ambulance. Say they carry in everywhere they smell. Say for 8 hours. Say they can't reach their place. No people see their place so nearby country. I know if they mention the country name. Nearby country. He said that they can't drop there for there. They not still they teach him. They not still they treat him. They still leave him like that. Nobody they treat him. He said now news can't reach their country. God will bless that country. Tanzania. God will bless Tanzania. Any Tanzania when come across this my channel, God will bless you guys all. He said when they get to when that is country by to their country Tanzania, people come reach Tanzania because one of them brother did that side though. In fact, he don't the roti, no treatment, nothing. He said like Tanzania people come rescue him, carry him go hospital, treatment start. Where the emotion part there. Family. I'm not saying you don't have family, but don't ever put on for mind say your family when you they help, they will pay you back. Let me leave the story. Now go watch some parts. Family, some brother and sister. Now don't they mature to know say people go to say, I wish that they choose. You can choose this is my husband. Then you can choose this is my wife. Then this your wife do you something. You can say, I don't want to do again. But brother and sister, can you say you don't want to be brother and sister again? If you will say you don't want to be brother and sister again, now don't be blood, the same father, the same mother. If they get anything that they do today, they will say now your brother. If your brother they go anything or they do anything, they will say now so person brother. We can't choose family member. That is the only thing. Some family brother or sister, they're not supposed to make person they open mouth say, this is my brother, this is my sister. Person, this man so, if brother, they come for hospital, they come, doctor come hand over book to them, paper to them, say, their brother no fit ever walk again for life. Their brother want to handicap. They collect the paper, they abandon their brother for hospital. They don't ever come back. Only this part and his wife part, and I touch you. Say, family collect the paper, carry and come out. Daughter will come. Where your family? Where your family? Nobody to see. Now daughter come break the record. Say, now they need to do operation. You know if you ever walk again. Say, it be like in the dream. Daughter say, you know if you ever walk again, oh guy. They tell your brother like that. Say, you know if you ever walk again. They give them the document. Make they sign, they want to do operation for you. May your body not the rotten. He say, no, you can't dey cry. He say, behold, worm can't dey fall from my body. Daughter go dey cut, see me, I see you. God. Daughter go dey cut it fresh. Where dey rotten. Say, worm can't dey fall out. Worm can't dey fall out. No brother, no sister, no wife, no children to stand by him, to encourage him. He said, death can't dey sweet for him. How do you want to commit suicide? Family abandon him. No one ask me who can rescue him. After he don't heal for hospital, nobody to come rescue him. Whether a brother when they say na soldier, he even try go na maltreat, they will they maltreat. He won't even start to the rot again because nobody to help. I don't feel the waka. If you never look and I know say the guy real handsome tall, now tall person go be. They cut his body come out. No family member. Good Samaritan for outside. I can rescue him. I could carry him. When they stay together. He bath him. He said sometimes he go get up, say, he go be like say he see the waka, he go fall, he go forget, say, no, he don't be handicapped. He go get up in one waka. You see, he go get up, he go fall. He go remember, say, here, not there again to take waka. I only here, go up. I dey again. No brother, no sister. Any of us when they put, now my brother, now my sister, I must help my sister, I must help my brother. Outside that when you go help, you go better pass all those your brother sometimes. I know say may not help your brother, your sister, but sometimes outside that when you show good, when you show care for, some of them will come for your rescue when you need them. Say nobody at this kind of condition, brother feel open eye. Brother feel open eye, abandon him. Wife, God, bad wife, may God take her far away from our loved ones. Women, some women they get mind, child. Now so some men see they get mind. When I not conform to my comment section, they vex. Wait till I know say that I no fit do person. If person do my brother, he go pay me. I no fit do another person. Wait till I know say if they do my sister, he go pay me. I no want make my brother do anybody sister. If I did there, I go tackle am. Nobody, no family love nobody. Everybody abandon am. You know they feel the waka. Good Samaritan. I can say, he go stay with him. He will take care of him. But the only problem na finance. And the man they take care of farm since so, you know if they work again. As he use his leg, take go Mozambique, coming back and have body. My people, things dey this world. Things they happen for this world. Who not go no. He pay me. But that wife, if you come across this my video, you know this man, I beg. He saying they miss his children. Let his children go see father. I know say not easy. You for stand by your husband. You go use all the good time when take day together. Take judge him. Look your children face. As their father, they miss their child. And as so the children say they miss their father. If we get anything against him, and they always they talk, I be woman. No, not deny children to their father. Make una let their father. Because remember when you still be, as you be now, meanwhile even don't old now. I still they miss my dad. Maybe not because I grew with him. Talk of, you just deny the father. Now the children you they punish. You know they punish yourself. You know they punish the man 100%. You are punishing the children. To deny the children asset of their father. Why? You're not supposed to. I know it's in another country. But if you love this man, you forgo there. For carry your children, follow them. Please, and please, if you come across this my video, try carry those children, go meet their father. It is very painful. Man, they even cut him cassava. They cut the man cassava, my people. Wait till this man don't pass through. You know get cassava to take jaku again. My people, this video don't too long. So that may I add other video, the other one, join now. No, not here. At this word be. Be kind to anybody who they around you. Be kind. Love everybody the way you love yourself. Do your part. You know, if you do good for person, that means they talk and that person they try to, then shift her aside. You don't know who will help you. Not stop your good. There is way they do things when you go see sweet person, when you go see sweet human being. I beg. If this guy can volunteer, person when you not know before, say, I will be there for you. May God bless this man. May God bless this guy. Where no family, no brother, no sister, no wife, another person, entirely. God send and come for him. May they take care of him. My people, I just say, I bring this story for now. I'm still listening to him, okay? I don't know what I want to really talk. The thing, in fact, it break my heart, and I don't even know what to talk. Even make me cry. Last night when I watched, I cry. Nobody know tomorrow. Nobody. A whole person, when they work out before, you get cassava, you get everything complete, automatic. When I say they dig. Now be careful. Now find another thing. Now just go inside hole, they dig. It's okay. Now this one I get to talk. Please, if you get anything when you take assist, then if you let me know, maybe I'll direct you to the place when you will put her. Don't be me. I feel direct. If you ask me for the comment section, I will direct you where you will go donate for her. If you get, yes, now this one I get to talk. Thank you all my returning. God will bless you guys. I'm loyal, I'm humble for always coming back to watch my video. May the Almighty God bless you guys all.
It was his first time that he had ever owned a passport, go to the border, or even exchanged money, and it was all new to him. He never knew the language that they speak in Mozambique. He came while being told to go to a certain part of this country where he could find his fellow Tanzanians, and then, well, it got famous on the news, and it was not only Tanzania, because even people from Senegal, Canada, Thailand, Sri Lanka were also told to leave and do the same. He goes to the hospital. In a normal society, they were going to call me disabled and other sorts of names. They said that I should be ready and prepared for that. My brothers, they never came back to see me because they thought that I was going to normal society. They were going to call me disabled and other sorts of names. They said, stay for good and take care of Adam, and he promises never to abandon him, just like his friend did. Adam says that all he wants now is to at least see his children because he misses them a lot. That he lost both his legs. Sometimes he wakes up trying to stand, forgetting that he does not have legs, and then he ends up falling down. He thanks the Lord. When he was in the hospital, he always used to have negative thoughts like committing suicide, but now he does not have such thoughts anymore, and he is happy for that. All he tells everyone that is watching is that none of us knows our future. We never know what is going to happen to us tomorrow, and this is why we should always pray and be kind to each and every one.
We don't cast, last, now everybody go to breakfast.